Ellii. Let's practice our pronunciation. Today, we're looking at the M sound. Can you make the M sound? Follow these steps. First, press your lips tightly together, like this. Next, keep your lips closed while you make a sound in your throat. Try it with me. Are you ready? Now let's practice a few words with the M sound. Listen and repeat after me. Here we go. Map. Summer. Comb. The M sound can be spelled with the letter M as in map, MM as in summer, or MB as in comb. Nicely done. Great job. Ellii.